Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite elements on Canva. So to do it, for instance, you use this in your canvas and you want to use it for future projects and you don't want to have to find it again. So I'm just going to add these in like so, for instance, and to favorite them, you're just going to go to recently used, select the three dots, and then you are going to select star, and you're also going to do that for the rest of the sort of elements that you can that you want to favorite. To find the elements, I'm just going to delete these. Go to the start button over here and you can find the elements that you have favorited, as you can see. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!